Okay.
Your eyes literally look so red. Like it looks like you're high or something.
No, because this lash is literally...
It looks like you're high or something. Both of your eyes are red.
Because these lashes are really hurting my inner corner. Like, I just want to rip them off, but I'm just keeping them on for the sake of this video.
Okay. Oh my god.
Hey guys, it's Ollie. Welcome back to the shit show that is my channel. Did this just come undone? Chief, this ain't it.
Stop saying chief.
This ain't it, Chief.
Oh my god, stop.
Ah! I can't stop. So, for today's video, I've not seen anyone do this before on YouTube. People do this genre of video all the time. But today I'm going to do a following a Bratz transformation tutorial. Because recently, in this past month, your boy's been obsessed with Bratz. And, 1, 2, 3. The other two are in my bedroom, but they're the 2015 Bratz and they literally look horrendous. They're okay, they're cute, but like, the faces ain't it, Chief.
Stop!
Michael Jackson, this is it, Chief. Today I'm going to be following a AZ Does Makeup Bratz transformation tutorial video. I'm going to be following along and transforming, I think I'm going to transform Sheridan first. I was going to do all three and like kill 3 birds with 1 stone, but like, no, but honestly, like, I just wanted to do one in case, like, it goes wrong, then I won't mess up the other 2. This looks like a V-neck, but it's a microphone pulling this, like, top down. I don't like wearing V-necks. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the list of Bratz dolls that I have, like, bought this week. Yeah, wait till Christmas when I have a whole fucking shelf full. This one is Forever Diamonds Sheridan. She has a beautiful mug, very much like what I go for. She's everything. I don't think she's in the original outfit. I think it's original shoes. Okay, so the person on the Facebook group said that her jeans that she's wearing are from Girls Night Out Dana. She is definitely Forever Diamonds Sheridan. And this one here is Nighty Night Fianna. I know that she's wearing a Tokyo A Go-Go top. Is that what it is? I'm new into collecting these, don't drag me. This one here is, because she's actually got the label on, so I actually know. This right here is Pretty and Punk Megan, and she is stunning. Out of all of them, she's spelled M-E-Y-G-A-N. Don't discriminate. Out of all of them, she's got like the less...
So weird.
Out of all of them, she's got like the easiest hair to work with, like my fingers can literally just like go through it. However, the other 2 desperately need fixing, and I do want to fix Megan at some point. Oh my god, you brought me other Bratz dolls. I think these are selfie snaps.
I just knew you would ask me to get them anyway.
I really hated this line because the faces are just so much uglier than the older ones from the early 2000s. So this one is, I think, Selfie Snaps Chloe. I stuck a choker on her neck because I felt like it matched her like hair and personality more. Not a fan of the outfit, this ugly floral skirt and this like selfie top that comes out all spiked, like no, and the shoes. But I bought it before Toys R Us closed down, so RIP. And this is Selfie Snaps Jade. Her hair is so weird to me. I love her hair, but it's like got glue in it, like it's really sticky, and I've tried washing it once already, and it like pulled out a lot of the green strands. And I commented on like the Facebook group for Bratz, and someone else was like, yeah, mine was like that as well. So I don't know how to fix that. I really love her outfit though, and I don't actually mind her shoes. I actually recreated this outfit, well, Calvin, my friend, like made me an outfit for drag that was inspired by this look. I'll put like a picture here, but yeah, like I really loved this outfit that I really wanted to recreate it when I was in a drag look. That's my 5 Bratz dolls that I have so far. Okay, so back me up, didn't I literally get some...
You keep cutting off my sentence every time I'm trying to say it.
I'll say it again for the camera. Today, I literally bought a pair of trousers that look exactly like Pretty and Punk Megan from Urban Outfitters. Oh, hello. They're pretty much the same, except there's like more red on Megan's, but still, we're living for that. Also, let me know, because people like keep telling me that they want to see a Bratz makeup inspired like drag look. Well, I've had it planned for ages, so like if you guys want to see it, let a hoe know. Also, possibly like one time I want to do like dressing as a Bratz doll for a week, because I think that would be like pretty fun. I have like really cool like outfit concepts to like recreate some Bratz looks. I think it could be sick, but okay. I've rambled on for too long. Now we're just going to be watching AZ Does Makeup's tutorial on like how to fix Bratz dolls hair.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. And in this video, I'll be showing you all how to fix your second-hand Bratz doll hair.
Okay, also like subscribe to AZ Does Makeup, because like I just think he has really great makeup and his videos on like Bratz are really informative, and like, yeah, he's British as well, so like support the Brits.
So I'm talking about, you know, when you've gone to the charity shop or you've gone to eBay
excuse
and
me.
bought yourself a Bratz doll, and you know, they're in good condition but their hair is letting them down. And I'm talking about when they look like this. So her hair is absolutely ratchet. It is beyond, you know, it's it's just not good. It's really not good.
Relatable,
In
sis.
this video, I'll be showing you how I wash, how I dry, how I straighten, and how I style her hair and get her back to looking like, you know, the glamour queen she really, really is.
Oh, okay, now he's at his sink.
First, I'm just going to fill the sink up with some hot water. Now, we do not want this to be scalding, guys. So, just use tap water. Do not use the kettle or anything like that. Like, that is way too hot. And you don't want to burn.
I was excited to use the kettle.
Wait, you could use the kettle, but...
I swear I've seen him in some other videos using a kettle.
And get it to a decent heat. Now, I am just taking some fabric softener, and this is by Tesco. It could be any brand whatsoever.
Sponsored.
And I'm adding quite a big amount. Now, you just want to take your doll and submerge her hair into the water.
Submerge. Well, yeah, now I'm just going to get her undressed because we don't want to get the clothes wet. Oh, I'm going to have to take the shoes off, aren't I? Lord. Honestly, me after a night out when I'm like, oh, my feet hurt. Censored. Okay, so now we have the Bratz doll all naked and we have the tub of fabric softener and tap water inside of it, and I'm just going to follow the tutorial. So what he did was just dunk the doll's head in there. Oh my god. Also, we didn't have a big enough bowl, so this was the next best thing, which was a food container. Lord. Honestly, me during a baptism. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the Bratz doll in the tub of water, we're just going to see what the next part is to do.
Now, you just want to leave her hair in there for about 5 to 10 minutes and keep swirling her hair around and let the fabric softener do its job.
You just dunked the whole head in.
I just dunked the whole head in, no!
Now, take any brush that you want. I'm using this one, and I think it's a Barbie one, but I'm using it because the bristles are quite far apart, and that's good for the knots.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to begin brushing out her hair, and if your doll is in pretty bad shape, hair-wise, then please try to have some patience, guys, because this can take quite a long time. Now, I'm holding her hair from the top so that I am not pulling it too much, and I'm being quite heavy-handed at the end of her hair because that's where majority of the knots are.
Okay, so basically I just need to get patience from somewhere because I don't have that anyways. So basically after 5 to 10 minutes I'm going to brush the doll's hair and just see if it's easy to brush out. I've got to have patience and just like keep brushing and brushing and brushing. So yeah, bear with us in 5-10 minutes and then we'll get back to you. Okay, so it's been about nearly 10 minutes now that her hair's been dunked in here, flowing back and forth. Okay, so do you have a towel? Because we need to just like pat her down.
You know, come on. Oh, dear.
Just pat it, yep. Wig flew. Okay, so now we've got a... Now we're going to brush her hair, like you said. Okay, this is actually harder than I thought.
I want to be in the camera.
Why do you want to be on camera? Everyone loves a cameo. Have you ever been on my channel before? Oh yeah, you have. we did that full video together with me doing your makeup. 2? Oh yeah!
Yeah!
I've forgotten the Halloween one.
See like another actual proper video.
That Halloween video got 10,000 views and you know what? It was deserved. Okay, this is hard.
I want to be in the channel again.
Well, I'll send you an invoice. Ow! Britney Spears, Hit Me Baby One More Time.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know?
Okay, so her hair's actually like brushing through really fine now. So I guess I'm gonna see what we need to do next in this tutorial. Thank you, next. Okay, next part, let's see what we need to do.
As you can see, with some perseverance, you do finally start to see results. And as you can see, her hair is looking a lot more straight now, as opposed to what it looked like in the beginning. For conditioner, I am taking the Garnier Ultimate Blends Honey Treasures Conditioner.
I'm not sponsored, so I don't have that. Okay, so now my assistant has just...
Wow!
just dropping the water in the bath now, and she's gonna fetch me some conditioner.
Do you want me to chuck this on you now?
Please, oh. Ew! Oh! So I'm using Tresemme because, you know.
Of this conditioner, and then I'm going to start running it through her hair. And you want to massage this in for about 5 minutes, guys, just to make her hair really, really soft.
Okay.
While the conditioner is still in her hair, you want to keep brushing
Oh my
it
God,
because the...
that is so hot. Ow! Feel how hot that is.
Oh, ah! Why would you ruin my makeup, you twat? Fun fact, but someone in school tried to throw water on my face to try and ruin my makeup, and it didn't even move because I was like, sweetie, it's MAC foundation and MAC Fix Plus. It ain't going nowhere. Okay, so I'm just massaging this into her hair. Okay, so then he said to just brush it and see if it'll brush out even more of the knots. So we're just going to do that.
Why is my forehead wet from you touching my hair?
And it's not me, it's you sweating.
I mean, it's not, but okay.
Weird flex, but okay. Okay, so now I need to know what we need to do with her now. This music.
I begin to start washing that out of her hair, and you really do want to make sure there is no conditioner left in, guys, because that can make the doll's hair greasy.
Okay, so I think she's all rinsed.
Thank
you. Next. Okay, so now he's pat drying it.
So this is sort of music where you can
This is giving me free background music, like I don't even need to edit anything in.
Once you have dried her hair off a little bit, I am using a bigger brush, and I am just giving back
Oh,
her middle
bigger
pattern that she
brush.
had originally. I am using a fan to dry her hair. I mean, you
Oh my god, she's so silky smooth now, it's unreal. Yes, bitch. Okay, so I'm just gonna hair dry my Bratz doll's hair with with the coldest setting to mimic the, you know, the heat of the fan. The heat of the fan, there's no heat on the fan. I hate myself.
I think I've got an amazing voice. Like, I think I'm up there with Ariana Grande. Move in. No, I don't mean that way. I mean that way.
I thought you was like wanting to sit with me. I was like, oh, that's sweet.
No. Sorry.
Choke, bitch.
Wait! Get in the ring, girl.
Okay, so now I'm going to see the next part of the tutorial. I think it could just go on to straightening now.
I'm taking my trusty Babyliss hair straighteners, and these are absolutely amazing for doll hair. I want to have them on the lowest setting, and that is 140 on mine, but you really do not want to be whacking on full strength heat.
Okay.
So I take 1/2 and I am tying that into a bubble.
Okay, so I'm just separating the hair into 2 halves because we're going to have to put one in the bubble.
If you are younger, then please get an adult to help you with this. Like, I don't want anyone burning themselves.
Well, I'm a full-grown adult, so I can burn myself. It's fine.
But don't take too long because you could singe her hair.
As if we've not already done that.
Oh my god, story time. I actually once tried to straighten my Bratz doll's hair on my Jade selfie snaps, high hair dryer, and it singed a bit of her hair off. Not that noticeable because it didn't do too much damage, but I didn't have the hair dryer on the lowest heat. I think I had it on like medium, and it singed off her hair. Here's the picture as evidence. We love a cameo. Every time I've got you on my channel, it's brought in the views, so...
Yeah, but we all know why that is. I'm joking.
Oh wow. Okay, so we're using the Remington hair straighteners, aren't we?
These get warm so quickly.
Thanks for that information that no one asked for. Okay, so we're just going to straighten the hair now. I'm probably going to move on to iPhone to get a clip from down below because the Bratz doll's in between my knees. Why does this keep falling out my hand? I'm not good at this. Whoa, that's gotten hot real quick.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez. Thank you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, bitch. Okay, so this video's over. Thank you so much for watching. I'm a huge fail. Oh, I can't believe that just happened.
Thank you.
Hashtag clickbait.
It's not clickbait though, it actually happened. I'm gonna start tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna pick up from tomorrow. I don't want to ruin her. I'm worried. Did you see the massive chunk that came out? I did that way too confidently and it was all just like it was like wiping icing off a cake. Like, that was not... Me and Sheridan will say goodbye for now and we're gonna see you tomorrow. Bye. It's the next day and I'm hungover in a different beret and I have a dream. And my dream today is to straighten this Bratz doll's hair, even if it's gonna kill me. I may have singed off like a good chunk yesterday, but I'm just determined to get this done. And her hair's not that bad, I don't think, right now. However, I just want to like make sure it's all silky. There's like a little bit of a kink here, so...
Tis the season to be Charlie.
Tis the season to be a dreadful fucking singer. Yeah, so what we're having to do is just turn the like straighteners on and then turn them off and then wait for it to cool down to the point of where we can put our fingers on it and it's okay. Because for some reason, my 150 degrees means singeing off the hair. For Aaron's video, like his just worked fine. So like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but like...
Watching fatty.
Budge in fatty. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, I'm getting confident now.
I've got no idea why you like these.
Because it's reminiscent of my childhood. If mum let me play with them when I was like 5, I wouldn't be doing this now. I could be like a real estate agent on the moon, an astronaut. I could have been working for NASA. Instead, I'm over here playing with Bratz dolls on the internet.
Do it lightly. I mean, you barely even pressed onto it. When I say do it lightly, I don't know why that lightly.
Drag me! Okay guys, so I'm back now and Isabella's gone. So I don't 100% know where we last got off with this video. This video has been a whole roller coaster of a mess. However, I do want to say that I've finished my doll now and restyled her hair and made her look all brand new. However, I want to talk to you guys about something before I like fully show you to her. I'll admit, when I went into this, I really didn't have the patience. Like, not to sound rude, but I'm always like trying to find a shortcut out of everything. And to be honest, I wasn't doing like any sections. I'd pick up little pieces here and there, but I fully didn't like section off the hair or try and get like a row and then do another row on top. You know what I mean? I don't know why I had that ignorant like mindset, because I do like style wigs. I've styled wigs before and you always start from bottom to top or top to bottom depending on which is your preference. There's a gay joke in there somewhere, but you know. And so me and Isabella were just going in with this like thinking, oh yeah, it will straighten, blah blah blah. Also, like, the problems with the hair straighteners were definitely an issue, because if I had a hair straightener that sat at like the perfect temperature that I used to do her hair like earlier off camera, then this video would have been like perfect. But no, I was using the Remington straighteners and they go from 150 to, I believe, 200 or 250. However, it gets way too hot, way too quick, even if you have it on the lowest setting. So yeah, that's definitely been a huge struggle. So I didn't get any of this on camera, sadly, but off camera in the other room, I just sat in my bed in my bedroom and just put the hair straighteners in, and I turned it on, let it get really hot and then let it cool down a bit. And then when it was cooled down, I separated the hair and clipped obviously the other half that I wasn't using away off her head, and I started from bottom to top, just taking little sections and just straightening them, like going over a few times. You have to go over at least like 5 to 10 times just to like generate a lot of heat there, but obviously not cause damage. And the way that I just did it in that room, I wish I got that on camera, because bitch, no hair came out, none went on the straightener. I had the like straighteners at a perfect temperature. Definitely, I know why Aaron says in his video, AZ does makeup. He says that like restyling Bratz dolls can be a very like tedious process. This wasn't like a 5-minute job that I was expecting it to be. If you calculated it all properly, it'd probably take around an hour or two. And definitely next time I will show how I did the hair. It's just, I need to like work out how to film this, like with my studio lights, my microphone. It's like a lot to like just travel and move in the bathroom and stuff. That's why we've tried to take a lot of it in here. But I'm going to reveal to you Sheridan now. I'll show what I thought was done earlier with Isabella now on the screen versus her now. So this is Sheridan. I did all the hair. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up with the lights, but I've straightened all of the hair. It's lovely. As you can tell, last time when I showed the doll, there was like a huge kink on one side where it like caved in, and both the sides are now fully straightened. If anything, there's only a bit of curve underneath at the back, but even then I've tried to get as most as I could out, and that's more towards the root. But honestly, she is looking 1,000,000% better than when I first got her to the house, because obviously this is a pre-owned doll. This is from, I think, insert the year here, Ollie. But I feel like I've brought so much life back to her. I think the only thing that I need to do to fully clean her up is to just cut off these bits of loose fabric. She has 2 holes in the sleeve for some reason on her arm. I'm not 100% sure why. I don't know, maybe if it was like how it was boxed, that someone just ripped it out the box and it's had the like 2 plastic straps in there. But other than that, I don't know why. And they're so symmetrical as well and like perfectly circled. She's fucking stunning. Like, I'm living for her. For my first time, this was stressful, but honestly worth it to get to this process now. Like, I'm gonna have to take some really banging photos of her. So if you guys would be interested in seeing another Bratz like styling video done properly, not fucked up and not this mess that was spread out between 2 days, please let me know down below. I would love to try and make it at that like expert level that Aaron does, but let's be honest, it's me. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this hell of a messy video, please be sure to hit like and comment down below. Also be sure to check out Aaron's videos. His channel name is AZ Does Makeup. He does like Bratz styling videos, hauls, unboxings, etc. if that's something that you are into. I probably won't be doing this so often on my channel, however I would love to put out these kind of videos just because to me it is really relaxing to watch, like when I watch Aaron's videos, and also it is actually kind of relaxing to do. But yeah guys, if you're new here and you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe down below for more future content on Bratz dolls and makeup in the future. I am so off my game today, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye bitch!